CoreWeave is an AI hyperscaler that provides a cloud platform for managing complex AI infrastructure at scale. Their platform supports groundbreaking models and next-generation AI applications, trusted by leading AI labs and enterprises like Cohere, IBM, Meta, Microsoft, Mistral, NVIDIA, and OpenAI. CoreWeave aims to power the AI revolution through their purpose-built AI cloud platform with efficient, automated, and high-performant infrastructure and managed services. Their purpose-built CoreWeave cloud platform manages state-of-the-art AI infrastructure at scale, delivering high performance and efficiency. While their proprietary software enables customers to achieve higher system performance and better uptime compared to other AI offerings within existing cloud environments. This leads to faster time to solution for training models and improved runtime efficiency for inference workloads. CoreWeave's supercomputers are optimized to support various AI workloads, and their suite of cloud services delivers meaningful time and cost savings through orchestration, automation, and monitoring capabilities. The company offers a comprehensive set of cloud services through their CoreWeave cloud platform, including infrastructure services, managed software services, and application software services. These services work together to deliver state-of-the-art compute, networking, and storage for AI workloads. Their platform is hosted in 32 data centers with low-latency connections to major metropolitan areas, using the latest technology in networking equipment, power access, and liquid cooling. They collaborate with leading chip makers, OEMs, and software providers to supply their infrastructure components. CoreWeave's customers are AI labs and enterprises who depend on their platform for core products and innovations. The majority of their revenue comes from multi-year committed contracts with take-or-pay basis, and they also offer an on-demand pay-as-you-go model. CoreWeave establishes long-term, durable relationships with customers by abstracting away the complexity they would face in managing AI infrastructure themselves. This has led to 3 of their top 5 committed contract customers signing agreements for additional capacity within 12 months of their initial purchase dates, resulting in a cumulative increase of approximately $7.8 billion in committed spend and a multiple of approximately 4x on initial contract value. CoreWeave's business has grown rapidly since inception, with revenue increasing from $16 million to $1.9 billion between the years ended December 31, 2022 to 2024, resulting in adjusted net loss improvements during that period. Specialized compute infrastructure is the key enabler for AI labs and enterprises to train models, perform inference, and accelerate time to market. There's a direct relationship between compute resources and model output quality, with top models requiring exponentially greater quantities of compute to unlock performance gains. More compute power leads to better models and applications built on top of them. However, delivering performant AI infrastructure is immensely challenging, especially at scale. Building and operating such infrastructure requires tens of thousands of GPUs, thousands of miles of high-speed networking cables, and hundreds of thousands of interconnects. The complexity extends to managing global supply chains for high-performance components and designing data centers specifically for high-performance compute. Even a single cluster can require hundreds of megawatts of power, petabytes of storage, and extensive fiber cabling, making it a daunting task to set up and operate. AI supercomputers are incredibly complex and require purpose-built software to unlock performance and efficiency at massive scale. This software is necessary for testing, validating, and provisioning infrastructure, as well as scheduling complex workloads. However, AI workloads put enormous pressure on infrastructure, leading to component failures and downtime, which requires constant monitoring. There's a significant efficiency gap in AI infrastructure, with model flops utilization typically ranging from 35 to 45% due to system inefficiencies. This means a majority of compute capacity is lost, and minimizing this gap represents a significant opportunity for unlocking AI infrastructure's performance potential and improving overall AI quality. Generalized clouds operated by hyperscalers aren't suitable for AI's specific requirements, as they were designed for general-purpose use cases and CPU-based compute. Instead, organizations need access to a fundamentally different GPU-based infrastructure built from the ground up for AI, with superior performance, efficiency, and scalability. An AI cloud should deliver high-performance components, optimized technology stacks, and rapid access to the latest advancements in infrastructure. It should minimize downtime and failure rates, offer immediate out-of-the-box functionality, and enable dynamic workload scheduling and flexibility. The goal is to maximize utilization, performance, and efficiency while reducing performance-adjusted costs. A purpose-built AI cloud is essential for the AI revolution, and leading AI labs and enterprises demand high performance, cost-efficient compute, storage, networking, and managed software services integrated into a cloud platform. This enables them to bring innovations to market faster and maximize infrastructure utilization. The CoreWeave Cloud Platform is a purpose-built solution for running AI workloads like model training and inference at maximum performance and efficiency. It includes infrastructure services, managed software services, and application software services, all augmented by proprietary software for provisioning, orchestration, and monitoring. The platform is built on a microservices-based architecture, allowing customers to configure and customize their use of the platform to fit their needs, including bringing their own storage or managed software services. Security is a fundamental component, with advanced security capabilities and adherence to industry-leading standards. The platform's layered architecture stack provides access to advanced compute, networking, and storage, as well as managed software services like Kubernetes and virtual private cloud offerings, all designed to deliver high performance, efficiency, and ease of use. The CoreWeave Cloud Platform's application software services integrate additional tools to accelerate and improve training and inference for customers. This includes tools like Sunk for running Slurm-based workloads and CoreWeave Tensorizer for efficient model checkpointing and high-speed model loading. The recent acquisition of Weights and Biases will further extend the platform's capabilities with an end-to-end, fully managed software platform. The platform is augmented by lifecycle management and monitoring software, advanced cluster validation, and observability capabilities. The AI cloud runs in a distributed network of purpose-built data centers engineered to support high-intensity AI workloads. The platform's composable architecture also allows customers to integrate third-party tools, providing flexibility and customization options. The CoreWeave Cloud Platform offers several key benefits to customers. It delivers highly efficient infrastructure with optimized model flops utilization, MFU, outperforming generalized hyperscalers by up to approximately 20% in internal testing. The platform provides cutting-edge performance at scale for AI model training and inference use cases, leveraging technologies like bare metal GPU nodes, high-performance networking, and storage services with fast data read speeds. This performance capability has led to record-breaking results, including a notable ML-perf record. Additionally, the platform's Mission Control Suite ensures reliability and resilience by providing observability into the health and performance of the solution, enabling quick recovery from hardware events and optimal performance. The CoreWeave Cloud Platform also offers faster access to the latest AI infrastructure advancements, including cutting-edge GPU technologies, and deploys new chips in as little as 2 weeks. The platform's managed software services enable seamless consumption of infrastructure, allowing customers to be up and running in hours. The platform is designed to support all types of AI workloads simultaneously, increasing utilization and efficiency. It also offers a flexible technology stack that adapts to customers' needs. Overall, the platform delivers improved infrastructure efficiency, higher performance, and lower performance-adjusted costs compared to other cloud service providers. CoreWeave's competitive strengths set it apart from generalized cloud providers. The company's platform is purpose-built for AI, with a fundamentally different architecture that delivers cutting-edge performance for AI workloads. The company operates at scale with a network of 32 purpose-built data centers and over 250,000 GPUs, enabling it to serve leading AI providers and benefit from economies of scale. CoreWeave has a proven track record of securing power, with over 1.3 gigawatts of total contracted power, and has demonstrated unique financing capabilities, raising over $14.5 billion in debt and equity. Additionally, the company maintains robust ecosystem relationships with suppliers and customers, including NVIDIA, Microsoft, Meta, and OpenAI, which strengthens its solution and market position. This positions CoreWeave as a cornerstone of the evolving AI ecosystem, fostering a cycle of continued innovation and technological differentiation. The AI compute market is centered on training models and leveraging them for inference, with varying levels of complexity and performance requirements. CoreWeave's platform is ideally situated to capture these workloads, and as its geographically distributed compute base grows, it will be optimized to capture all workload types, both inference and training. This positions CoreWeave as a leading platform for the world's AI workloads. CoreWeave's growth strategies focus on extending product leadership and innovation, capturing additional workloads from existing customers, and expanding into new industries and verticals. The company aims to capitalize on growing demand for AI applications globally and increase vertical integration by innovating and adding to its software offerings and enhancing data center capabilities. The recent acquisition of Weights and Biases is expected to enable CoreWeave to improve its platform, address new customer needs, and expand its developer tools for fine-tuning and training models. By maximizing the economic life of its infrastructure, CoreWeave can also monetize expired contracts and drive further operational efficiency. These strategies position the company for continued growth and expansion in the AI market. CoreWeave's customers are primarily segmented into two key verticals: AI natives and AI enterprises. These companies are builders, integrators, or heavy users of AI, and a substantial portion of CoreWeave's revenue currently comes from a limited number of leading AI labs and enterprises. In recent years, a significant percentage of CoreWeave's revenue has been driven by its top customers, with Microsoft being its largest customer in 2023 and 2024. However, the company also serves a broader market indirectly, including tens of thousands of enterprises that use AI solutions developed by AI natives. As AI adoption grows, CoreWeave expects these enterprises to increase their consumption of its platform, potentially leading to more direct relationships and partnerships in the future. For more on CoreWeave and other companies, follow Ascencore. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.